Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the original.
Hey, poor people, I'm taking a new style about me.
This one reaching out to all the leaders and media. This is Rodney Price, aka.
It's a rock factory.
Now it is.
Every day I've been going around and telling stories.
I am the roughest, toughest Jamaica.
Give me some bass when I sing something for you.
Yo, this is Wayne Wonder saying, it's a rock factory.
Girl, from your body could make me see the haunted.
It's a rock factory.